Feed rate is a critical service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the control of the speed at which raw materials are fed into a machine during the manufacturing process. The feed rate is a crucial factor in determining the quality and consistency of the final product. It is essential to maintain a consistent feed rate to ensure that the machine operates efficiently and produces high-quality products. The feed rate can be adjusted based on the type of material being processed, the desired output, and the machine's capabilities. In the manufacturing industry, feed rate is used in various applications, including milling, drilling, cutting, and grinding. In milling, the feed rate determines the speed at which the milling cutter moves through the material, while in drilling, it controls the speed at which the drill bit penetrates the material. In cutting and grinding, the feed rate determines the speed at which the material is removed from the workpiece. Birknes Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom packaging solutions for various industries. The company has been in operation for over 80 years and has built a reputation for delivering high-quality products and services to its clients. Birknes Company understands the importance of feed rate in the manufacturing process and has invested in state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure that its machines operate at optimal feed rates. Birknes Company's team of experienced engineers and technicians work closely with clients to understand their unique needs and requirements. They use their expertise to develop customized solutions that meet the client's specifications while ensuring that the feed rate is optimized for maximum efficiency and quality. The company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has earned it a loyal customer base and a reputation as a leader in the industry. If you are interested in learning more about feed rate and how it relates to the manufacturing process, Birknes Company's website is an excellent resource. The company's Contact Us page provides information on how to get in touch with their team of experts, who can answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information on their services. Whether you are looking for custom packaging solutions or need assistance with optimizing your manufacturing process, Birknes Company has the expertise and experience to help you achieve your goals. FAQs. 1. What is feed rate in manufacturing? Feed rate refers to the speed at which a cutting tool moves through a material during a manufacturing process. It is typically measured in units of distance per unit of time, such as inches per minute or millimeters per second. The feed rate is an important parameter that affects the quality and efficiency of the manufacturing process. 2. How is feed rate determined in manufacturing? The feed rate is determined by several factors, including the type of material being cut, the type of cutting tool being used, and the desired surface finish. In general, a higher feed rate will result in a faster manufacturing process, but may also lead to a rougher surface finish or increased tool wear. Manufacturers must balance these factors to determine the optimal feed rate for a given process. 3. What are the benefits of optimizing feed rate in manufacturing? Optimizing the feed rate can lead to several benefits in manufacturing, including increased productivity, improved surface finish, and reduced tool wear. By finding the optimal feed rate for a given process, manufacturers can reduce the time and cost required to produce a given part or component. Additionally, optimizing the feed rate can help to extend the life of cutting tools, reducing the need for frequent replacements and maintenance. For more information, contact Berknes Company today.